Check one, two. Hey, all right. What is happening? So, we are here in the garage, the new setup I have in the garage. Kind of shifted the power rack around. I'm actually on a nice little mat space here. Gonna be able to drill and do some good stuff like that. But yeah, I was on the road traveling back in Missouri, and I've been thinking about these projects, and I came back here, set the garage up, and there's all kinds of these different videos that I want to keep going with, and then you get so many projects in your mind, and you wonder which one to do first. Also, haven't been uploading, and it really is like just the situation where I ask myself if this make a difference, right? Because you see so much stuff online, you see what people are saying a lot of the times, and at some point you pick up the understanding that a lot of people have a very similar awareness, right? And many people are not satisfied with the current circumstances of the world, their nation, their economic situations, policies, etc. And there seems to be enough discontent that in any other set of circumstances, you would have a lot of upheaval, socially, politically, so on and so forth. And yet, here in our world, where it is 2026, they say, everybody just seems to continue to keep posting on the internet about it, right? Like I see somebody with a large account posting about, what's going on in the world, population migrations, and bad policies that are hurting local people. And you just think, well, if a million people know about it, then why don't they do something about it? Because then there's people in the comments who reiterate the point, or they say what they want to do about it, and then that thing gets a lot of likes. So it's like you have the numbers in terms of people who are aware, but you need action takers now. Right? And then along with the comments agreeing, there's people who are like, keep posting. Just keep posting this stuff. And, at what point, right? It really feels like we're at the threshold where everybody who gets it is pretty well, if they're not on the same pace, or at least probably in a similar chapter. And then there's just the population that has to exist, right? People who don't think for themselves, don't have any cognitive independence, it seems. Somehow, every single wave that enters their mind is part of a giant propaganda gorgamite. It's really unbelievable when you hear how some people have been programmed. So that's what's kept me really from popping in with like a lot of videos that I think are going to be a lot of fun to make. It's just, I'm ready. That's what I'm saying here in this video. I'm ready. I personally am beyond the making videos point, and ready to rock and roll with the people, the free people. I will continue to make my videos so everybody knows where I stand. Okay? Because you gotta do something about it. You know what I mean? I'm with it. I love everybody who's spreading the word, and it seems like, at least semi-networks are being made. You have to understand, posting on the internet about it and expressing your discontent, even verbally, at the end of the day, is not going to get you, your community, not just what you want, what you deserve, okay? It's going to require action, extreme action, the will to power. So, with that, I will depart from this particular video and say that I'm still skeptical about posting entirely, as a lot of people in the space who blow up seem to be at least semi-manufactured. And when you speak about certain things a certain way, it would only make sense that that stuff doesn't get promoted as much. So we'll see how it all unfolds. Like I said, I wanted first and foremost to pump this out and just at least break ground of like, this is where I stand with it. I am beyond it. Personally, you see so many words of what people say, this, oh, we should do this, we should do that. It's like, let's just do something. You know, at this point, keep posting about it. So I'm ready to rock and roll. So people subscribe, hit it up, like, let's get together, like, we can be a real community, not just an online one. With that, much love to everybody. Catch you in the next video.